Hey you guys, welcome to Living a Country. Today is my cleaning day. Excuse the mess, haven't gotten to it. My daughter just got back from school. But today I wanted to show you guys the Corbels that we just installed at our entryway right here and here. And we use some beautiful manufactured Corbels. They're called the old carriage Corbels from Antique Farmhouse that I purchased a couple months ago, which is super exciting. I love these because they have a beautiful antique look to them without kind of paying the price of antiques. I love antiques, anything. I love vintage stuff. I love thrifting, but the things that I was finding around here and online were just really out of my budget. So these were the most affordable ones I was able to find. So I want to share with you guys a hack that my husband came up with. I can't say he's the only one that came up with it, but it's the only one I've heard of that made it so we could get these in securely so they don't fall. I'm going to share that with you guys, but I'm going to make it so you guys can see an up close look at the Corbels instead of me. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys what's up with these, and then I'm going to tour the office with you guys. I'm going to show you some new updated kind of things in the works, okay? Okay, you guys, so here is the entryway. Our thought process for this area is we're gonna do these beautiful kind of like trimmed lines throughout here because we have super tall ceilings. And if you guys are new to my channel, this home is a home my husband and I built. I was very much pregnant, so I did not help as much, but I came up with the designs and stuff like that. But we moved into this home unfinished, and it is just a DIY project, one weekend at a time. So here's the old carriage Corbels from Antique Farmhouse that I purchased. Super great deal, and they really actually look old. I love it. It's got that distressed look and chippy look, and I've never been able to figure out a way to DIY recreate this chippy look, but I love it. It adds quite a bit of character to a new home. I'm honestly not a fan of everything being drywall, and you know what I mean. So this definitely adds character. I love it. I love it, I love it. So I want to share with you guys what my hubby did to install these. So if you guys have ever seen manufactured Corbels, they'll have sometimes hooks right here and here. I'll show you guys actually one of the other Corbels I have and what the hook looks like right now. Scratch that, the other Corbels I have don't even have hooks. But on this Corbel, it has a hook right here and a hook right here. See, there's two hooks right here. And that's how you were supposed to hang it. It's supposed to be for apparently not corners like this where there's two walls involved. So it's supposed to come out of the wall just from one side. And when it comes to kitty cornering it like this, it wouldn't work. It would come down like a couple of inches from the ceiling area and just looks awful. So my hubby decided to take the drill right into that corner, right there. And he drilled in screw, and then he took the top portion of like the chippy paint and he removed a little portion of it and took a glue gun and just glued a portion of that over it. So you would never know that there was a screw there. It looks awesome. So this is just a simple way we're adding a little bit of character to our home, and I just thought it'd be fun to share that with you guys and maybe give you guys ideas for your own home too. Okay, you guys, so we are entering the office. Here's a look all the way up. We've got beautiful dormers up there. But this is my new office space. I've always shared it, well, I haven't always, but my husband's desk used to be right where this huge pile is, you guys. So this originally was my husband's office. We have built him a new office. This is right across from the playroom. I'm going to show you guys. My kids are playing right here. Of course, they're not playing in the playroom because it's full of toys. They're playing in the hallway.
I'm not playing toys.
Aria says she's playing games. But I obviously work from home. Very part-time. Very part-time. This YouTube channel is my business. And I want to, when I, just so happen to work, I want to be able to open these doors and be able to work in here while my kids have, 30 minutes of playtime. So this is going to be transformed into my studio. So we're going to set up a studio in here where I can leave my lighting kit up all the time, my tripod, and just make it cute farmhouse style. So I hope to take you guys around and share that. Here's my sweet sign from Weathered Wood Home. That in here because I just love the message. The most important work you'll ever do will be within the walls of your own home. I love that. And like I said, when I shared this video or shared, the sign in one of my videos, it's not about the physical work of like the pain type of work, but it's the work of being a mom and a wife. That's what's important to me. And of course I do this YouTube channel because I love it. And I truly love it. My income is not great, but I love what I do. And it's kind of my creative outlet that I turn into a business. And then I have this really sweet drawing right here, you guys. That's supposed to be me. My daughter drew that for me. She's 4. So that's supposed to be me. And so I just have that right up there. I love it. Right over here, I have my sweet little bench from a local shop called Field Notes. And then I've got my FM Farmhouse little picture. I got that in my subscription box. If you guys haven't watched my FM Farmhouse subscription box unboxings, I'm going to link those all down below. They're fabulous. I love their business. They're actually the owners now. I was a customer for my first one, and now they are dear friends of mine, Dana and Jessica. So I'll link those down below. But I got this picture in there, and I just have this kind of as my receipt place. So I started using this app a few months ago. Not a few months ago, 2 months ago. I guess a few is 2, right? What would you guys, a couple months ago. And I just scan my receipts. I take a picture of my receipts off of my phone, and I actually earn gift cards to businesses, or not businesses, but shops like Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, Home Goods. So I've been doing that, and I've actually done really well. Grocery receipts are actually the best to upload on there because brands like, I think it's like Huggies and Lay's chips, they give you like bonus points. So that's cool. And then when you refer friends, you get bonus points too. So I'll leave that down in the links below if you guys want to check it out and download the app. And I think that when you download it, you get 2,000 bonus points for free. They are doing a giveaway right now where you guys can get, I just entered, that's why I know this, but you can win, 2 people will win $500 gift cards for just posting a photo of their app. There's 25 people who win $50, and then like 100 people who win $25 or something like that. It's crazy. I entered. This is not sponsored. I just love it. I literally use it all the time. And you can upload gas receipts and stuff like that. But that's, not a part of my tour. But here's my sweet little desk. I got this from the Picket Fence in Quilcene, Washington. I love it. It's actually going to go right in the middle right here. Right here. And then I did this wall, this brick wall. I filmed the whole thing last year, and the video got deleted, which was such a bummer. But I love it. I'm going to be doing little storage areas to the side, the left and the right. And I'm going to do a big Livin' It Country logo right in the middle. So it's going to be right above my desk. My hubby's trying to convince me to build a desk that's bigger, but I love my desk. Love it so much. So actually this was not from the Picket Fence. This was from Field Notes. That's the same store. This one was from the Picket Fence. And that's actually where I do my DIYs for a little show that I do with a company. So that's kind of my area. But yeah, this is my office, and I'm so excited to show you guys what it transforms to. I actually was gonna put the corbels here and here, but the corbels were so big on this side that it hit the trim. So that's kind of a glimpse into my office area. And I'm so excited to show you guys what it turns into. I'm so excited. Trying to think if there's anything else I want to show you guys besides this big pile right here. Okay, you guys, another thing is you guys might see this ginormous computer. I'm actually in the process of editing the video that I'm sharing with you guys right now. But this is not a 90s computer, thing. You know how they used to have that back in the day? Well, it is coming back, you guys, because this is what makes my editing go super fast. Super duper fast. I can edit like a champ. But my internet is so slow. It actually takes like 2 days to upload my videos, you guys. It's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, this is my little office tour of my incomplete office. I hope you guys really love this video. Subscribe if you guys are new. And I would love to have you guys a part of my Living It Country family. I'll see you guys later on Living It Country. Bye.